There are moments when what you see defines where you go. Vision, direction, focus, captured in a single frame, but often left without structure. This is where flashback becomes your vision board. Overview. You enter vision. Everything is visible. What is active, what is completed, what was missed. Time is no longer abstract. It becomes measurable. Handling overdue. Some visions are overdue. 4 days, 7 days, 10 days. You open the first one. A decision has to be made. Failed vision. You mark it as failed. The system asks, what blocked you? Time misjudged, priority conflict, lack of clarity, external interruption, or your own words. You select one, you record the outcome, and you close it. Success flow. Next vision. You complete it. Another. Completed. Another. Time pressure was high, but execution followed. Completed. Without deadline. Some visions had no deadline. Still, you decide. Completed. Progression. Another vision. 4 days left. 77% pressure. Completed. Another. Maximum pressure. Completed. Scoreboard. Now you step back. The system responds. Success rate. Progress. Outcome. A clear overview of your execution. Creating new visions. You create a new vision. Select image. You bring in what you're working toward. Drag and drop, or import. A title. Context, if needed. A date. And a vision note. What does this mean to you? You add it to flow. Setting direction. Then, you define the deadline. Now it's active. Time begins to move. Pressure begins to build. Repeating, you create another. Image. Title. Context. Date. Vision note. Then the deadline. Another. Structured. Intentional. Added to the system. Now everything updates. Success rate shifts. Progress evolves. Active visions increase. Missed. Reset. Closing. This is not just planning. This is accountability. Where vision meets execution. Where intention meets reality. This is Flashback. Your second brain. Wir freuen uns zu sehen, was Sie daraus machen.